Hi and welcome back to Garfin's creation. In this video I'll be showing you how to decorate these Easter cookies in different ways. These are few of the ways where you can decorate your Easter cookies using royal icing, gum paste and colors as well. These cookies are easy to decorate and gift wrap and add it to your hampers. In my previous video I had shared this recipe how to make these Easter cookies. So I'll be putting the link for that so you can prepare these cookies and then decorate it as shown in today's video. So today I'm just showing a quick recipe of eggless royal icing. This is Aqua-Faba, that is quarter cup, which is at room temperature. This is the liquid that comes along with the canned chickpeas. I've taken quarter cup and we'll start whisking this till it becomes frothy. This looks like just egg white once beaten and it just takes hardly a minute or so. And now into the beaten Aqua-Faba, I'll be adding icing sugar. This icing sugar has been sieved to remove any lumps from it. Add it gradually into the Aqua-Faba till you get a nice white thick consistency. I've already shared this detailed video on how to make this eggless Aqua-Faba royal icing. You can check out that video too. After adding the icing sugar gradually, you get a nice royal icing. This royal icing, once set, becomes nice and firm. This is the consistency and these are the cookies that we'll be decorating today. First, we just need to coat all the cookies with the royal icing. So just dip it into the royal icing that we just prepared and take out the excess. Keep shaking off the excess royal icing from the cookie. While making the royal icing, see that the consistency is not too very thick. It should be flowing so that it coats the cookies well. You can also use a toothpick and just break off any air bubbles on the cookies and wipe the sides of the cookies as well. Once this is done, we need to let this dry completely. After drying, the royal icing gets hardened and you are able to decorate it as you like. So the small bunny cookies through, I'll be coating with the white royal icing. Using the same technique, just dip and just remove off the excess royal icing. You can coat the cookies with other colors of royal icing as well. So just separate the white royal icing in a separate bowl and add the color of your choice. I'll be making pink, yellow and blue as well. So in the same way, we'll just continue coating all the cookies in different colors of royal icing. And if you see any air bubbles on the cookies, you can just prick it with a toothpick. This has to be done before the royal icing gets set. So today I've just taken quarter cup of the Aqua-Faba and made this quantity of royal icing. So the next day when I'll be decorating these cookies further, I'll be making another portion of this royal icing to decorate them further. To make the marble effect on the cookies, here I've taken some blue color of royal icing on a plate and just added a little bit of yellow royal icing over it. This is a very simple and easy technique to decorate your cookies. Using a toothpick, just swirl it around and then dip the cookie into it. Just move the cookie a little and then shake off the excess royal icing from it. You can add any color combination of your choice. As you shake off the excess royal icing, you will get the marble effect on the cookie. You can leave it as it is. Since I wanted a little more of yellow, so I've just added a little more yellow royal icing on top of it. And then just swirling it with a toothpick and then removing off the excess royal icing. This has to be done when the royal icing is still wet. This is the easiest technique to decorate your cookies. Now all the cookies have been coated with the royal icing and we need to let this dry and harden up completely. I will leave this like that just for a day, preferably overnight, and the next day we'll continue decorating them. So the next day while decorating the cookies, we will need a stiffer consistency of the royal icing. So just add in little more of the icing sugar till you get a stiff peak. You can use this to decorate your cookies further. Now you can check out, next day the royal icing really hardens up. This becomes a blank canvas to decorate it further. So the first one here I'll be showing with a stencil. Just take a little portion of the royal icing on a card or a plastic. Swipe it across the stencil. You can also use a spatula or a cake scraper. Once you have coated that well, just scrape off the excess royal icing from the plastic stencil. You can use any design of stencils to decorate these cookies. After lifting the stencil, you can just clean off the sides of the cookies. So this is one of the easiest method also of decorating a cookie. Also be decorating a small Easter egg cookie the same way. This is homemade stencil and I'll be sharing the video soon how to make them at home. Or you can also use this ready-made stencil that is easily available online. So just like the previous one too, I'll be placing the stencil and using the royal icing. Just spread the royal icing with a card or a spatula. And this time I'll also be adding a little gold edible luster dust on it. Using a brush, just dab it on top of the stencil. Only use food grade edible gold dust for this technique. After dabbing it, you need to dust off the excess glitter and clean off the edges once more. So this too is ready and let it dry completely. For the next cookie decoration, I'll just fill a piping bag with green royal icing. And to make some green leaves, I'm just cutting the tip of the icing bag in a V shape. You can also use a leaf nozzle for the same. So all the royal icing that I'll be using the next day is the extra batch of royal icing that I have made. So I'm also using a star nozzle and fitted it into a piping bag. Now we can make some flowers on the cookies. To make the bigger flowers, you need to squeeze in a little more, and for the smaller flowers, just squeeze in just a little. This way you can make different sizes of the flowers and then just add in some leaves using the green piping bag which we had just prepared. To make the flowers, you get the nozzle with 5 petals or even 6 petals. You can use any star nozzles of your choice. Just add in the leaves wherever you find the gap and decorate this cookie like this. Using the same nozzle, I'll be creating another design on another cookie as well. This too is simple enough. Just adding those flowers all over the cookie. Also add in a sugar bead on the center of the flower. This is also a simple yet beautiful technique of decorating your cookies easily. Let this too dry off completely. Now for the next cookie, I'll be using this grass nozzle and this writing tip nozzle too. This is the bunny cookie that I'll be sticking with royal icing over the larger cookie Easter egg. The bunny shaped cookie easily sticks with the royal icing on the base cookie. Now using the grass nozzle, just add in some grass type effect on the lower part of the cookie. Then decorate it further with some colorful sugar beads. You can also add mini fondant or chocolate Easter eggs and place them on this Easter cookie. I'll also be adding a bow on the neck of the bunny, so just sticking it with a little royal icing. And for the eye of the bunny, I've just dipped the back of a toothpick in dark blue color and just put a dot over there. This too needs to dry completely. For the next cookie decoration too, I'll be using the same nozzle and the same pink color too. Just adding up a spray of flowers and then decorating further with some green royal icing leaves. I'll be sharing all the links for the recipes of the cookies and the royal icing as well. Do check out the description box for the same. Next, I'll be just adding a wafer paper butterfly. It's easily available online and be putting the link for that too. So this is done. Now let's go on to the next one. Here I'm using a thick writing nozzle and just putting white royal icing, just 3 petals each. I'll just space out these flowers over the cookies. And then using the green royal icing, I'll just be adding some stems and leaves around them. Here too you require a thicker consistency of the royal icing to make the flower petals and the leaves. If you do not want to use the eggless royal icing recipe, you can also use the royal icing made with egg whites. That video too is on my channel. This is done. Now let's go on to the next one. For this one, I'm just sticking the yellow chick cookie onto the pink Easter egg cookie. Some royal icing to stick it. Using the green royal icing, I'll just be making some leaves on the lower part of the cookie. We'll then be using some Gumpaste flowers to decorate it further. The link on how to make this Gumpaste flowers is already on my YouTube channel and I'll be putting the link once more. If you do not prefer Gumpaste, you can use any sprinkles of your choice. And then once again adding the wafer paper butterfly, gel color black dot for the eye and orange color for the beak. And we'll be just filling the gaps with some green Gumpaste leaves too. And with this Easter egg cookie too is ready. the next one, we'll be using the painting technique. I'll just dip the brush in some green gel color and just giving some brush strokes to make it look like leaves. You can just pour a few drops of the green color on a plate and then use the brush and paint the Easter egg this way too. And then I'll be using also the tip of the brush and just smudging it over randomly. You can use 2 shades of colors, a little lighter green and the darker green too. And then I'll be using some white royal icing to stick some Gumpaste flowers over it. You can also use liquid color if you do not have gel colors for painting this cookie Easter egg. And then once again I'm using the green royal icing to make some leaves to give it a 3D effect. If you prefer, you can also use green Gumpaste leaves. This too is ready. For the next cookie, I'll be using the royal icing brush stroke technique. First, just make a petal with the white royal icing and then just dip your brush lightly in little water, dust off the excess and then give strokes inwards. This will give a nice lacy effect to the royal icing and make it look like a lace flower. Make sure that the brush is not too very wet with the water. Just a little to help the white royal icing to spread easily. And like so, you can continue making some more petals all around the Easter cookie. Besides using white royal icing, you can use other color of royal icing too. Besides this cookie Easter egg recipe, I do have another mass pan Easter egg recipe too. You can find those recipes on my YouTube channel, Garfin's Creation. So once this is done, we will let this dry completely. Next cookie too is a watercolor technique. I've just added a little water into the gel color and made it a little lighter. And then using the brush, just dab it over the cookie. Just forming small petals and then giving it a shape of a flower. If you're not using gel colors and using normal liquid colors, there's no need of adding water to it. Just use the liquid food color and create these small flowers all around the cookie. You can use any color combinations of the flowers. You can also use the shading technique and create a little darker and lighter flowers too. And then using some green color, create some leaves all around the flowers. So for all the different types of cookies that we have decorated today, the base has to be coated with royal icing to make it hard enough to decorate it further. So coat the cookies well with the royal icing and let it dry hard for 1 day. And then decorate it the next day. And here is another simple one. Just doing a white drizzle with white royal icing and then adding a blue Gumpaste bow. So here all the cookies are ready. Using different types of decoration, you can decorate these Easter cookies as you like. You can also choose whichever is easy and convenient for you. If you have decorated cookies before, do mention in the comments too. I would love to hear from you as well. And also comment which is the best one from these cookies. And once these cookies are dried well, you can pack them in cookie pouches or these small transparent plastic bags. Tie a little ribbon bow and add it to your hamper or gift it to your loved ones. I hope you all like decorating Easter cookies and do comment below which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in some more videos. Till then, do subscribe to Garfin's Creation so that you don't miss any of the videos. Take care and bye-bye.